Alright guys, today I'm going to do a bike check. I haven't really seen any good ones on YouTube at all, or anywhere actually, for the new 2012 Stolen Center. I'm rocking out just completely stock, just got it today, but yeah, we got just the Stolen Tallboy bars, 20.625 rise by 29 wide. The Convict top load stem, pretty nice. Like I said, 21-inch Stolen Center frame, heat treated, full 100% chromoly, so pretty nice. Yeah, we got a Stolen F-Boss seat, a lot better than that straight plastic. Rocking out the Revolver back rim with the Revolver hub. Got the regular stock Stolen spokes, the Mob cranks, some Thermalite pedals. Have a Shadow brake cable on it. It's not too bad, not too good. I mean, just Shadow, so it's typical. Some Primo pegs, not too bad. So all in all, pretty good bike. Got the Overlord tires on it, 20.2. So let's keep those rolling. But yeah, I mean, all in all, it's a great bike. It's about 23 pounds if you take everything, you know, just weigh it in. So it's not too bad. Like I said, good spend of 420 bucks. It was originally 445. Michael Cycles gave me a hookup, so definitely check them out. But let me know what you think.